Get ready for a flavorful adventure with outdoor chef. An amazing recipe of fire. Hamburger bread. Ingredients: 1 kilogram flour, 550 milliliters warm water, 40 g fresh yeast, 1 piece, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 egg, 1 teaspoon granulated sugar, 2 tablespoons olive oil. With this recipe, you can make soft and delicious hamburger buns at home. Knead the dough by combining flour, warm water, fresh yeast, salt, egg, sugar, and olive oil. Let the dough rest for fermentation, then shape the buns and allow them to rise again. Bake in a preheated oven to get perfect hamburger buns. Don't forget to try these homemade buns to take your burgers to the next level. Knead the dough thoroughly with a mixer or by hand. Make sure the dough reaches a completely homogeneous, smooth, and elastic consistency. Once the kneading process is complete, cover the dough with a clean cloth or plastic wrap and let it rise in a warm, draft-free environment for 30 to 40 minutes. During this time, the yeast will activate, causing the dough to expand and double in size. As outdoor chef, we prepare delicious meals in nature, on boats, and in home kitchens. From grilling, cooking over campfires, and wood fires, to boat kitchen meals and practical home recipes, we create great dishes in every environment. Don't forget to subscribe to our Outdoor Chef channel and turn on. Divide the dough into equal portions and weigh each piece to 110 grams. Shape each portion into a smooth and even hamburger bun shape. Place them on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper, ensuring there is enough space between each piece to prevent them from sticking together and to allow for even rising dot. Let the shaped dough rest for its second rise in a warm, draft-free environment at room temperature. After about 30 to 40 minutes, the dough will double in size and reach the desired puffiness. You can cover the dough lightly to prevent it from drying out during this time. Once the rise is complete, your buns will be ready for baking. To achieve beautiful and shiny hamburger buns, brush the shaped dough with egg yolk using a brush. The egg yolk will give the buns a glossy and golden surface. Next, sprinkle white sesame and black sesame on top. These sesame seeds will add extra flavor to the buns and make them more visually appealing. The sesame seeds will also provide a nice crunch as the buns bake, enhancing both the taste and presentation. By following these steps, you can prepare soft and delicious hamburger buns. On Seeden 180 or 350 degrees Fahrenheit Doris STLM Frender, Hamburger ekmeklerini yaklaşık 20 to 25 dakika boğanka pişirin. Ekmeklerin üzeri ultiyen rengini alana kadar pişirmeye devam edin. FRNN farklı gösterebileceğini göz önüne bulundurarak, ekmeklerin üzeri is kebab ultiyen rengi bir hale geldiğin fırından çıkan. Ingredients for hamburger patties: 1 kilogram freshly ground burger meat, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon black pepper. Description: for a delicious and tender hamburger patty, it's important to use high-quality meat. Freshly ground burger meat is preferred here, as it provides a more homogeneous and flavorful texture. Salt and black pepper are the essential seasonings that enhance the natural flavor of the meat. Mix the seasonings and knead the meat, then let it rest for 30 minutes. You can shape the rested hamburger patties as you like. To ensure all the patties are the same size and shape, you can use a round mold or, if you have a hamburger press, you can shape them using the machine. This way, each patty will be of equal size and cook evenly during the grilling or frying process. Let us know where you're watching from and share your thoughts on the videos in the comments. If you like our channel, you can help us reach more people by sharing our videos. Ingredients for hamburger sauce: pickled cucumber, onion, tomato, garlic, parsley, ketchup, mayonnaise, barbecue sauce, cheddar sauce, cheddar cheese. Preparation: To create a flavorful sauce for your hamburger, start by finely chopping fresh ingredients like pickled cucumber, onion, tomato, garlic, and parsley. Then, mix ketchup and mayonnaise together in a bowl. If you like, add some barbecue sauce for a sweet and spicy touch. Finally, enhance the sauce with cheddar sauce and grated cheddar cheese for extra richness. Spread this sauce on the hamburger buns and serve with hot patties. This sauce will elevate your hamburger and is sure to be a hit with everyone. Before you start cooking the patties using a cast iron skillet, grill, or barbecue, make sure to preheat them or have them ready and hot. This ensures that the patties cook evenly and properly. The heat will sear the outside of the patties while keeping the inside juicy. Place your hamburger patties on the preheated grill or cast iron skillet and sear both sides over high heat to lock in the juices. This searing process ensures that the outer surface of the patties becomes golden and crispy, while trapping the juices and flavors inside. After searing, you can lower the heat slightly to shorten the cooking time and maintain the desired level of doneness on the inside. This technique will help you create perfectly cooked, juicy, and flavorful burger patties. If you like, you can also make caramelized onions to go with your hamburger patties. Caramelized onions will add a sweet and rich flavor to your burger and pair perfectly with the patties dot. Cut the buns in half and toast both sides for a short time on a pan or grill, allowing the outside to become slightly crispy while keeping the inside soft. This step will add extra flavor and texture to your burger. Then, add cheddar cheese on top of the patties and let it melt for a few minutes. This will give your burger a rich flavor and creamy texture dot. Spread sauce on the inner side of the toasted buns, and then layer with tomato slices, pickled cucumbers, fresh lettuce leaves, caramelized onions, and finally, the burger patty. Make sure each layer complements the other perfectly. You can personalize your burger by adding cheese, spices, or other garnishes to the buns. Finally, close the bun with the top half. This burger will offer a delightful dining experience with a combination of flavors in every bite. Serve your delicious burgers with potatoes and enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe to our Outdoor Chef channel. Thank you so much for watching our video. We'd love to connect with you, so please share where you're watching from and your thoughts in the comments. We're excited to have you join us on this wonderful journey. We look forward to seeing you in our next recipe. Wishing you healthy and enjoyable meals. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Outdoor Chef and turn on the notification bell. Let us know where you're watching from and share your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoyed our videos, share them with others. See you next time.